You are so enchanted by this idea of status and title that you don't even recognize that they become your idol. America's rock star, pop star, baggy jeans wearing drawers showing rock star. They become the focus of your worship. The way you imagine yourself being in courtship. This attraction, which is appropriately named a distraction, has caused even your bodily functions to have a reaction because they become your idol. Statistically speaking, 4 hours fly by and you are trapped by the tube, failing to see that you are a little too over-enthused by the essence of someone's presence, separated from you hundreds of miles away in the distance because they become your idol. It's your full attention lost inside of this dimension known as the television. The hypnotic of the mass media is feeding you nothing but sex and violence on reality shows, money, cars, and a fistful of folk proclaiming they sold their souls to the devil. And in the process, your intellect has sunk on a lower level because they've become your idol. This new American idol comes no longer in the shape of a golden calf, but its existence lies in the fact that your loyalty is split half and half. On one side there's the promise of eternity, and on the other side there's your man-made form of divinity, inspired by the Jay-Z's who's driven by the power of the Big G's, but in actuality he has no real power over the enemy. But this is your idol. And so I say, choose this day whom you will serve. Will it be this dude pretending to be hard, or will you stand up for the true and living God? Will it be this lady in lace promoting a devil's face, or will it be Jesus Christ who died to extend you grace? Will you stop being mesmerized by the lies at the risk of your soul being compromised, or will you just choose to die to yourself for the one who was crucified, and 3 days later he rise? This life is not simply about partying, drinking, sexing, and getting down, but for a moment, consider to what home are you bound down? We've been so captivated by this idea of status and titles that we don't even see we've created our own America.